Best deals.
1. Strainer bowl with grater. Made from thickened stainless steel. Sturdy construction and premium quality materials ensure long life. Bowl is designed with unique slanted bottom with fine drainage holes on the side. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Rice dispenser. With a capacity of over 15 kgs and measuring cup is also available for ease of use. Made with food-grade durable plastic which is non-toxic and odorless. With a sealing lid, it has a special cavity below to place silica gel sachets that will absorb moisture and keep food dry and fresh. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Dumpling mold. Is made of food-grade ABS material, which is not only sturdy and not easy to be damaged, but also ensures the safety of the ingredients, allowing you to use it with peace of mind. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Dustbin. Made from high-quality, sturdy, and unbreakable plastic that ensures long life use. Smooth surface design makes cleaning simple, helping maintain hygiene in your home, office, or workspace. Compact yet spacious design fits easily in corners, making it ideal for bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchens, and offices. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Mango cutter. You can cut any type of fruits and vegetables like potato, onion, tomato, brinjal, carrot, capsicum, mushroom, apple, guava, green mango, easy to carry and place anywhere. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Sealing machine. Comes with both heat sealing and blade cutting. Keeping food fresh is much easier with this handheld cover sealing machine. You can seal food vacuum bags or chips bags directly to prevent food spoilage. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Coffee canister. Have innovative freshness valves to release CO2 but lock out oxygen and preserve the flavor of your coffee beans. Sitting on top of the steel clasped seal lid is a date tracker wheel. Logging the purchase or expiry date reduces waste and puts a stop to throwing precious coffee in the trash. Container flip-top lid is made of high-quality BPA-free plastic. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Brush. Sweep away dirt and debris with ease using the 18-inch wide brush head, providing you with maximum coverage in a single stroke. Crafted using cutting-edge technology, this push broom brush is built to last, surpassing ordinary brooms in terms of durability and performance. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Chopper. Quickly prepare healthy and delicious meals and snacks that the whole family will love with our food processor for kitchen. The detachable components of our dishwasher-safe vegetable chopper electric make cleaning the chopper electric for kitchen easy. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Lunch box. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the Tiffin box steel ensures lasting use. This robust set survives the hustle and bustle of office commutes and surprise picnic plans, offering you reliable meal storage day in and day out. Revel in the peace of mind that your meals are housed in a Tiffin. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Shelves. Easy installation, waterproof and high load bearing capacity. Once installed on any smooth and flat surface, the product can easily take a load of up to 5 kg. Also, it has no adverse effect of even continuous running water over it. Made from heavy-duty plastic that lasts and lasts. These bathroom shelves not only hold all your toiletries with ease. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Dish dock. Is easy to clean and simple to use. It is made from good quality food-grade plastic. Dish dock can be used to store trays. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Drain basket. Experience enhanced drainage and filtration with the double-layer design of this kitchen sink drain basket. The inner layer efficiently traps food waste, while the outer basket allows water to drain freely, preventing clogging. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Soap dispenser. Features a dual pump design. It has two separate soap bottles, handwash bottle and dishwash bottle, allowing you to accommodate two different types of soap. One side is for hand soap, while the other side is for dish soap. Pump design enhances convenience and flexibility. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Dough maker bag. Can be mix mashed potato, mix grind food or baked food, store or keep food in a refrigerator. Vegetables and fruits can be stored in fridge for keeping it fresh for long period, made of food grade silicone and BPA free. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Toothpick holder. Perfect for home kitchens, parties, hotels, restaurants, or any event where toothpicks are needed. Made from sturdy, high-quality plastic that's both durable and easy to clean. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Grater. Experience unparalleled comfort with the soft grip handle designed for ease and non-slip assurance. Cushioning your hand through every repetitive peeling motion, this ergonomic feature ensures a comfortable and secure grip. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Seal strip. Have self-adhesive mounting, just insert the brush into the slot, cut the door draft stopper according to the length of the door, then peel off the adhesive and stick it to the door. This door sweep seal can be used for screen door, glass door, wood door, slide door. Block light, making the indoor more comfortable. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Sprout maker. Designed to provide perfect germination, ensuring healthy, fresh sprouts every time. Sprouts box mesh lid and optimal airflow system allow for faster, more consistent sprouting. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Vacuum cleaner. With blower offers hassle-free cleaning on the go, perfect for travel, camping, and various outdoor activities. With its USB rechargeable design, this handheld vacuum provides added convenience, allowing you to charge it easily using a variety of devices. Enjoy the freedom of wireless operation with this handheld vacuum cleaner. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Carpet. Stick to surface to prevent slip for children and elders, long-lasting backing, anti-slip stuff. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Containers. Most versatile, earth-friendly, sustainable storage container with a dual surface. This extremely lightweight and impact-resistant container also comes with a scoop for perfect measurement and serving. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Mini fan. The strong wind fan, even in high speed the noise is less than 20 decibels, suitable for working and sleeping. Ideal for your desk, office, bedroom. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Strainer. Features a fine mesh to catch food particles, preventing clogs and maintaining smooth water flow. Designed to sit snugly in the sink drain, offering reliable performance and preventing shifting. Simple to remove, clean, and reinstall. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Egg boiler. With this egg cooker, up to 7 eggs can be steamed at the same time. In addition to steaming eggs, cook poached eggs, steam vegetables, and many more. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Fridge box. The integrated drain basket effortlessly strains excess water from produce, preserving its crispness and preventing spoilage. It seamlessly doubles as a filter for washing fruits and vegetables, ensuring pristine cleanliness. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Soap dispenser. Made of quality glass, matched with bamboo pumps, premium material construction with sturdy bamboo and plastic and bamboo dish soap tray. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Silicone baking mat. Is heat resistant, non-stick, non-toxic, odorless, flexible, never tarnish or discolor. So it is health, safety and reusable. You can use the mat many times. Large baking mat ideal for kneading, rolling, and shaping breads. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Pot holders. Superior quality eco-friendly cotton fabric, quilted with thick cotton padding gives a durable, long-lasting, daily use and wash product. Timeless stripe and check designs in smart colors makes this most desirable to have. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Scissor. Heavy-duty scissors kitchen, use stainless steel blade and the handle is made of aluminum alloy, and the cutting material is stainless steel. The blade is sharp and durable, the smooth edge makes the handle more comfortable and easy to use. Easy to clean and maintain. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Grater. With minimal effort you can perfectly shred and slice cheese and vegetables. Get creative and make dinner exciting again by grating, slicing and making fresh zest to take your meals to another level. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Coconut scraper. Compact and suitable for people who are up to 6 feet tall. To assemble, use 4 screws to tighten to make it sturdy. You can be assured that they are firm and durable. Can scrape coconuts quicker and with ease, just place anywhere on the floor, adjust the plate holding tray and start using. A sharp 2 mm thick stainless steel blade helps you to grate faster and easier. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Portable blender. Built with a 4000 mAh rechargeable battery, a portable blender has a long battery life and can be charged by any device that has a USB port. USB-C type charging cable included. Blend anywhere at any time with our smoothie blender that can be easily stored and used in places like your office and gym or while you are camping and traveling. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Pencil stand. The creative lady in the pen stand beautifully designed to look elegant in your home, office table. High-strength steel rods are used and constructed out of matte black powder-coated iron. Product link is given in the 34th link. 35. Water dispenser. This rechargeable electric water dispenser for all types of barrel drinking water such as 1 gallon, 2 gallon, 3 gallon, 4 gallon, 5 gallon and 6 gallon bottles or other standard size bottle. So you don't have to worry about the water dispenser not matching your bottles. It can be taken along anywhere for water dispensing, suitable for outdoor and indoor use. Product link is given in the 35th link. 36. Humidifier. The filter humidifier comes with a top refill, so this humidifier is easy to refill and use. It will auto shut off and goes into standby mode on when runs out of water. Product link is given in the 36th link. 37. Food dispenser. Adopting press type lid opening design, it is convenient and fast, ensuring the freshness of food and effectively avoiding pollution. This rice barrel is designed with double barrel dosage. Product link is given in the 37th link. 38. Cloth drying stand. With stainless steel rods, making it a better choice than stands made with white or black powder-coated iron rods. Our stand for clothes is it can effortlessly hold weight of up to 50 kilograms of wet clothes. This 3-layered drying rack, cloth dryer features 6 folding wings and 24 sturdy rods, providing ample space for air drying your clothes. The foldable wings are great for saving space, making it perfect for smaller areas. Product link is given in the 38th link. 39. Spiral cutter. Turning clockwise and push forward at the same time to cut the potato, then you will get a tornado potato. Make curly fires, twisted potato chips and veggie snacks with this stainless steel constructed potato slicer. This potato chips spiral cutter is a great product to use at home, restaurants and hotels. Product link is given in the 39th link. 40. Mobile stand. Ergonomic 360 degrees rotating mobile stand for desk. The device comes equipped with 360 degrees rotational base, telescopic height adjustment and an adjustable view angle, all designed to provide with optimal comfort. Product link is given in the 40th link. 41. Drawer organizer. Made from high-quality virgin plastic, Nyasa Tuckins drawers are sturdy, lightweight, and built to withstand daily use, ensuring long-term reliability. Product link is given in the 41st link. 42. Electric citrus juicer. The professional AC motor with 350 W power helps to obtain maximum juice quickly. The pressure lever juicer gets more juice effortlessly without getting your hands dirty. Automatic startup by simply pressing the cone with the fruit. The lever is made of aluminum with rubber grip. Includes a stainless steel filter and a filter with adjustable pulp regulator. It has 2 cones of different sizes suitable for all types of citrus fruits. Juice oranges, lemons, grapefruit, citron, limes. Its spout has 2 different positions, one that allows the juice to be stored in the 0.65-liter tank and another that offers continuous direct pouring into the glass. The mouth designed with anti-drip system. The juicer is fully removable juicer for easy cleaning. Its parts are dishwasher safe and BPA free. Special cleaning tool helps in cleaning the juicer in less than a minute. Designed for convenience, its detachable components allow for easy disassembly and hassle-free cleaning. Simply rinse under running water, with no need for intensive scrubbing. Product link is given in the 42nd link. 43. Grinder. Comes with 31 grinding settings and grinds coffee beans in 3 to 4 seconds. Equipped with 40 mm hardened steel burrs which creates very little heat to preserve the flavor and aroma. Anti-static technology makes the ground coffee chamber mess-free, preventing coffee grounds from flying around and messing up the worktop. The coffee grinder burr is also easy to maintain and clean. The built-in brush, removable upper burr, hopper, chamber for easy cleaning of the item. Comes with 275 grams of roasted coffee bean jar and 100 grams of grind coffee jar. The digital timer precisely adjusts grinding time in 0.1 second increments, giving you the perfect grind every time. Removable grind chamber holds enough ground coffee for 12 cups. Ideal choice for a big family or a big team. This item is made for secure grinding. The beans are swiftly ground in 10 to 30 seconds. This bean grinder has great grinding performance and can grind practically all types of beans. The detachable stainless steel cup allows for quick and easy cleaning, ensuring convenience and hygiene after every use. Equipped with a 150 W high-speed motor, this electric grinder ensures fast and efficient grinding within 10 to 30 seconds, ideal for daily kitchen use. Features a simple one-button control for hassle-free use. Just press and hold to get the desired texture coarse, medium, or fine powder. The lightweight, space-saving design makes this grinder easy to carry and store, suitable for home, travel, and small kitchen spaces. Product link is given in the 43rd link.